Hi, I'm Khalid Murad. I'm coming from Dubai. I actually found out about LA Wrap and Tinting School through IG, through Instagram, and read some Google reviews about the training they give, and I have read some good reviews. I actually own a shop back in Dubai for detailing and window tinting. I actually joined the class to learn some new techniques, so if I found any problems in my installations, I could find how to troubleshoot them, how to find solutions for my issues. I joined the LA Wrap and Tinting School to know, I have the knowledge about the window tinting, but I don't have the practicality to do it. So I joined them. They taught me how to heat shrink and the skills of heat shrinking, cutting, the top cuts. So Felipe was an amazing instructor. He got me through many new steps to me and to bring back to Dubai. So to solve a lot of issues I used to face, which are like contaminants, like any wrong cuts I used to do. Okay, so I would give an advice to new students that are thinking to join LA and Wrap Tinting School to just concentrate through what the instructor gives. Try to socialize with the students you've got to help you out and help them out, and try to keep on practicing, because this is a job of practicing, not just the simple knowledge you get. So it's more of a practical job. You need to keep on consistency of practicing. Yeah, that's all.